Hello everyone, my name is Saber Sayyed. I am the Director of Business Development here at BURAK Metering Pvt Ltd. We are a Thane-based instrumentation manufacturer, completely made in India. We are a proud manufacturer of instrumentation starting from flow measurement, pressure measurement, level measurement, temperature measurement, and also safety detectors. We have also grown into other verticals like R&D. We have our own EMS line where we make prototypes. We have our own industrial IoT where we have our own gateways, our own dashboard, a software company that does all the programming. So basically, being one of the growing industrial automation manufacturers, we are a solution provider to our clients across all over India into various verticals like oil and gas, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, food and beverages, and you name it, automotives, and so on and so forth. We have participated in this exhibition for the fourth time. The first time was before the lockdown, then in 2023, 24, and this is our fourth time. And hopefully we'll be here again next year, even with a bigger stall, with a bigger range of products for everyone to come and visit us and see how our product is. Thank you.